You can't find it hardly anywhere in the world. For someone to come in, take a look at their own blood on a screen, it's just a wow factor. That is, so what's different in the community? You can't find this in the community. You can't find somewhere you can go in. Now you can get your test reports. You can see what you're deficient on, but through your blood we can see those deficiencies. So that is very unique in the community. It's unique in the world.
I grew up going to doctors and was taught that was the way to go if you had something wrong with you.
It's your own blood, your own DNA that you can personally see on a TV screen, and they'll show you what kind of blood you have, the research to show you that, yeah, this is actually what's going on.
And some people in their dying hour don't want to be, heavily medicated in a sedated state where they can't even recognize their family and friends.
I think when people know, like, oh, they actually see it, they're like, oh my gosh, that's my own blood, that's my own, like, that's me, I'm damaging myself.
If you give us just the chance to come in and just learn about yourself a little bit, can we grab a little bit of that? Because that's your wisdom.
The only thing stopping you is you.
It's just natural thing. I mean, it's not just regular doctor give you a shot,
Give us that opportunity to show you about you.
Made me feel good. They just helped me out a lot, man.
I mean, if you're willing to open up and give somebody a shot, it's a perfect place.
Finding the best in product brands and bringing them in one space. I've seen a lot of people come and they say, you're our last hope. The Institute, this is their last hope.
It starts with you, and you're the only one stopping yourself from getting better.